it's me, Dana, and I'm here in the middle of the ocean, everyone. And we're gonna. Oh, hello, hello. Alam na jud siya. Like, it's already above sea level. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now our speedboat since we are going to experience the way of living, the way of Filipino life, how the mouths are being fed by the Filipino fathers here in the Philippines. So we're gonna catch some squid today or tonight because it's already nighttime. And I'm here with Ate Cors. It's gonna be my first time to experience this experience in my 24 years of existence. So we're gonna experience this once in a lifetime experience. So this is the speedboat, Filipino made. And I'm gonna show you the things that we are going to use to catch the squid. But first, we have here the paddle, a very improvised paddle, as you can see. It's made of wood, of course. It's not plastic. And the things we are mainly going to use for the catching the squid is this one, and they call it caber. Caber has its own eyes, but it doesn't move, but it blinks. And the lights are blink. It glow. I mean, so these are the hooks. Hooks. It looks like a squid also, but it's like a trap. So once the squid are going to be hooked in this very sharp hooks, they will die, and we're gonna eat them, and we're gonna sell them. And we also have here, I got this earlier while the water is gone. So right now they're already back. So I catch this. I catch this using my own hand. So said this is the most tasty swaki, or in our language swaki, but this is sea urchin. So I have here also foreigner sea urchin, the white one. Yep, foreigner sea urchin. And we have some vinegar. Right now we're just waiting for our captain. Okay. So as you can see, I'm here. It's above my knee, the water. And I'm so excited to share with you this journey, everyone. I know that this is quite rare experience, especially to those who haven't been in this life. Okay, so later on I will show you, but I have to get up first because I cannot get up anymore to where I was sitting earlier. Finally, our captain has arrived, and as you can see, I'm already using here my instrument. Yes, it's like a guitar. And we're gonna use this to paddle. So get a paddle and paddle, like row your boat gently down the stream. But this is not a stream, this is an ocean. So later on we're gonna go to the deepest part of the ocean, and it's quite dark for now because the moon is not subang yet. Later we're gonna go now and gonna make our speedboat running. Going. We have to go now and experience the life of the Filipino fisherman, because I was also raised by a fisherman. So. Captain has arrived, and we have so many bring house. The bring house is giving. Thank you so much. Hello, mood ko ayo. So we're gonna go to the ocean now, but also our bring house food is also seafood. Some cake. Some experiences don't just become memories, they become reminders of where we came from. Tonight is a night I will never forget. As we celebrate the Father's Day special, I hope we all be reminded by the sacrifices and efforts of our fathers. This is my first time experiencing night squid fishing. And while for some people, this might just look like a simple adventure, for me, this feels like reconnecting with a part of myself that I sometimes forget. Featuring here is my cousins, Kuya Ranil as our captain, and also my cousin, Ate Kors. And since I was raised by a fisherman, growing up, I saw the ocean not just a place where people catch food, but as a place where sacrifices, dreams, and silent battles happen every single day. When I was younger, I didn't fully understand what it meant to be a child of a fisherman. I only saw the ordinary things: waking up early, waiting for someone to come home, seeing tired faces, seeing hands that were rough from working. But as I grew older, I realized those tired hands were carrying a whole family. Those rough hands were holding dreams. Those sleepless nights in the middle of the ocean were someone's way of saying, I will do whatever it takes so my family can survive. Being here tonight made me understand something deeper. Fishermen don't just fight waves, they fight uncertainty. Because every time they go out to sea, there is no guarantee of what they will bring home. Sometimes the ocean gives, and sometimes the ocean takes, but they still return, they still try, they still wake up the next day and do it again. And that is something I deeply admire about Filipino fathers who are fishermen. Their strength is not always loud. They are not the type who always talk about their struggles. Most of them don't even complain. They just carry it quietly. The kind of strength that doesn't ask to be recognized. The kind of love that is shown through actions and not words. There are so many bukya here. The bukya, this is a bukya. Look at that yan. These are jellyfish that are super itchy. Ito katol. OMG, look. So right now we're already here in the middle of the ocean. This is legit. It's so dark. You're gonna see already underwater. We're gonna catch some squid and we are getting ready. Ah, we're so far! Oh my gosh. Kung kailan ako naging 24, experience ang mga ganitong bagay-bagay. Okay. I think one of the biggest lessons life taught me is that we often don't understand the sacrifices of our parents when we are younger. We see their work, but we don't always see their exhaustion. We see what they provide, but we don't always see what they gave up. And maybe that's part of growing up. Realizing that the people who raised us were also humans trying their best. My father's life as a fisherman shaped me in ways I didn't realize before. It taught me resilience and patience. It taught me that strength doesn't always look like having everything figured out. Sometimes, strength is just showing up. Even when you're tired, even when life is difficult, even when nobody is watching. This night is not just about catching squid. It is about experiencing a life that many people don't see. The life of fishermen. The life of people who depend on the sea. The life of fathers who sacrifice silently. Tonight, when I held the squid in my hands, I smiled. But behind that smile was a deeper appreciation. Because this simple catch reminded me of the countless nights fishermen spend away from their families. While many of us are sleeping comfortably, some fathers are out there in the darkness, under the stars, on small boats, facing the cold wind, trusting that tomorrow will be better. This night is not just about catching squid, but also this is appreciating simple moments like this, because sometimes the smallest experiences brings us back to the biggest lessons. Tonight, I didn't just catch squid, I caught a deeper understanding, a deeper respect, a reminder that behind every meal on the table, there is someone who worked hard for it. To all fishermen, to all the fathers who spend their life in the ocean to provide for their families, big salute to all of you. Once again, happy Father's Day and a celebration to all the fathers out there. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again on my next one.
Unsa ni?